I manage and clean several urban houses. One of the houses has a septic tank and it's always been a nightmare. The guests throw toilet paper in the toilet and get it clogged like almost every week. There is no way to get a plumber to come in on a short notice between the guests because you only got 5 hours between the guests. One time we were able to get a plumber to come in and unclog the toilet ASAP. He charged $560 for the urgency. I ordered this 100 feet professional plumber hose of EVEAGE tool a few weeks ago. It's so easy to use. One end connects to the pressure washer and the other end goes inside the toilet. Then you just turn on the pressure washer and the toilet will be unclogged. I just wanted to share because plumbers charge ridiculous amounts. It literally takes 2 minutes. Look at it now. The toilet flushes like brand new. I'm so happy we won't need a plumber again.